Hi everyone, how you doing? This is just a quick video. I'm not even going to put this on that. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about how to drive the narcissist crazy. Okay, so if the narcissist is trying to hoover you, okay, and ignore them, because really and truly they're an addict, they're a drug addict. They want supply of you. That's the only reason they're calling you. Let's just be honest here. The only reason they're calling you is because they want to get positive or negative supply. Either way, doesn't matter. They're addicted. They need it. They need the fuel. So what you do is you deny them that drug. You ignore them. There's no positive supply. There's no negative supply. There's nothing. It's dormant. There's nothing there. Okay? Stop responding to their texts, and certainly don't speak to them on the phone. They're definitely going to get more supply from hearing your voice than they are from a text. There's only so much. What can you really get from a text? Okay, you get a small percentage of supply, but hearing your voice, seeing you in person, it's a different type of supply, and they're going to get high from that. Let them keep messaging themselves, talking to themselves. Normal people would have enough. The narcissist, it depends on the type of narcissist. Some narcissists just give up and they probably won't hoover you for a long time or at all. But some, depending if they're bored, if they've got no supply, all depends. There's different factors whether they're going to keep carrying on. But they should get bored after a while talking to themselves, okay? Because you're just ignoring them straight. And that's the one thing that narcissists hate to be. Narcissists hate to be ignored. They love to be hated. They love to be loved, but they do not like being ignored. And, because you ignored them, you've discarded them, whatever happens, they're going to describe you in a certain way to friends, family, the new supply, in obviously a negative light, right? So they're going to say you're crazy and that you tried. You didn't know, the narcissist didn't know that you were this crazy. They tried what they couldn't try anymore. You're so money hungry and you're a cheater, so they had to leave. You took every penny from them that you could, and and you're a cheater now, and they've taken you back so many times, but you keep cheating. You broke their hearts. You broke their heart into a million pieces. They don't know how they can trust again. They loved you so much. Remember, this is what the narc's saying to the friends and family and the new supply, or at least the friends and family that actually like you and actually want things to work out. They're not gonna. They see the people. They see the family members and enablers that don't like you. They're not gonna come with that. They're gonna just say she's crazy, she's money hungry, and that's it. They're not gonna act like, oh, my heart's broken. They're gonna just no. They're going to say they tried to make it work, but you have a problem. You have a drink problem. You have a drug problem. You have a shopping addiction. You have a sex addiction. You are unstable. They're going to just pull things out of thin air. Maybe you did have an addiction in the past. They're going to use that past against you and say that you have it now. And look, this is why I always say to people, people on the YouTube channel, the TikTok, and some of my clients, you need to heal. You need to move on, start a new life, new hobbies, new friends. Because when they come, and start saying all these lies and say, let's just say you were addicted to alcohol, and let's just say you were addicted to shopping, and you're in debt, and you were a little unstable. Now you're getting your life together. You're not unstable anymore. You're not addicted to shopping anymore. Everything's under control. You look better. You look way better. You look happier, you can conversate better, you don't argue like you used to, you're able to manage your emotions, you're able to sort out conflict. The narcissist will be looking like a damn fool, because he'll be the one, or she'll be the one acting like a damn fool. They'll be looking unstable on drugs and whatnot, especially if you're fighting for your kids in court. Make sure you're clean, no drugs in your system, no alcohol, get your housing together, your job together, get your life together, because they're coming for you, especially if they're a powerful narcissist with money and status. you know, it's gonna be deadly. It's gonna be a fight. And like I was saying to my client the other day, you have to fight for your freedom. You have to fight for your life with the narcissist. We gave this person way too much control over us, over our lives, okay? Now we have to reclaim that, but we have to fight for it back. Yeah, we gave it to them, but we have to fight for it back. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, please comment and subscribe, and I'm going to see you for my next video.